Hi my lovely friends, this is Hello at your World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to exclude items from backup in OneDrive in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the drivers. Here we will click the settings options. See here our account, our sync and backup. Here the advanced settings. Here the excluded file extension. Already I have excluded here. I will exclude it other things. What? Like .png. Here we'll exclude it. It is on. Also again .jpg. Before click exclude here. So here in this way we will exclude file extension. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.